If you're running a Shopify store, there's never been a better time to look at launching your own mobile app. Today, we don't need to hire developers or a high-end agency to go live in the app stores. Not when there are so many tools that make it easy to launch a mobile app with zero coding or development. But how much do these tools cost? And are they worth the money? Here's what you need to know. Most Shopify mobile app builders sit somewhere between $250 to $1,000 a month. The exact number depends on what you need, like which Shopify apps you rely on, how custom your site and product pages are, what level of design flexibility you want, and whether or not you need advanced features like subscriptions, bundles, quizzes, loyalty, or custom code support. For a very simple site with just a few products, you can go live with less than $200 a month. For most growing brands, you're looking at closer to $1,000. But is that all? With a lot of Shopify mobile app builders, there's a meaningful cost you don't see. You or your team has to build, update, and maintain the app yourself. That's the cost of using a DIY app tool and why it's never just the cost you see on the pricing table. Now, we're not talking about hundreds of thousands here, but it could end up being around 10 hours per week, depending on how fast your site moves, and that could end up being another $2,000 to $3,000 per month in labor. Not to mention the opportunity cost of having your team split their attention between two storefronts. These tools are still worlds more affordable than building a fully custom native app. But if you're looking for a way to turn your Shopify store into an app, MobiLoud is easily the best value for your money. MobiLoud costs around the same amount per month as other mobile app builders for Shopify, but with one big difference. With MobiLoud, your app and your website sync automatically. That means it takes basically no extra work to maintain. It's not a separate storefront, just an extension of your site. And with a white glove service from the MobiLoud team, you're left with no hidden costs. The ROI is dramatically stronger, and you're not paying your team to maintain two different versions of your store. And you're not spending days of your time trying to compile the perfect app. It's already there. MobiLoud just brings it out for you. Want to learn more? Well, go to MobiLoud.com to get a free preview of your app.